Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to talk about Euro Yen as price has broken to the upside after the ECB interest rate decision. So ECB interest rate decision, we've seen interest rates now go from 2% to 2.5% in a 50 basis points move, and the euro has rocketed to the upside in line with our sort of expectations on euro yen that we talked about a couple of weeks ago. Or say a couple of weeks ago, it was Friday I think we actually spoke about, or last Thursday we spoke about euro yen to the upside, and we're now seeing euro yen break out higher. I mean, we've broke this trend line now, and since breaking the trend line, you know, we've rallied considerably to the upside. We're about 300 pips higher at the moment. Now, the ECB hiked interest rates and then talked about the fact that they need to see further rate hikes coming, and I've kind of talked about more 50 basis points hikes to come as they try and get inflation in line. So very hawkish ECB at the moment, and that's what's causing the euro to continue to drive to the upside. Now, we talked about euro yen. Like I said last Thursday, basically it was because we were trading in this technical pattern here where the market was forming this bullish sort of channel here, where the market was bouncing between the channel lows and the channel highs. And what we outlined was the fact that price had come into the channel lows, and last week we had a bullish reaction. So what I was expecting going into this week was price to continue to trade to the upside, perhaps even trade through the 148 and head higher. Now, looking at the daily time frame, you can see that we've traded outside, moving to the upside. So really speaking, what we need to do now is, if price is going to continue to move to the upside and we're going to see a continuation, now within this area here, what we should start to see, or if I actually expand it down, we should start to see the market making a upward trend on a lower time frame. So if I go to the 4-hour time frame, for instance, we can see that price rallied, breaking through this structure high here, consolidated, rallied. What did we have again? Higher high, higher low. Price rallies again. What have we have now? We have a higher high. So basically what we need to look for now is, where's our higher low going to come into play? Are we going to see it come into play at a previous area of structure, or are we going to see it just come into play randomly at a supporting point in the past? Now, what I like the look of at the moment is the fact that price has traded through these recent highs here at the 146, but also this level down through here around about the 145 spot 20 handle. You can see it's quite a significant high because we had quite a lot of selling aggression at that area before seeing price take that out and make a move to the upside. So I quite like the opportunity for price to potentially come back down towards this 145 spot 25 handle, let's call it, and see if we can get a reaction in and around that point. The only thing is that we've had a big reaction today, so we may only get a small pullback before seeing the continuation to the upside. So although I would ideally like to see price trade back to the 145 spot 25 handle, it may not get there. We may only see a very slight pause in the market before a continuation. That's why I've marked out this recent swing high as well at the 146 handle, because that was an area where price found significant selling pressure and we moved over 500 pips to the downside at that point. So lots of selling pressure going on there. We're trading through that now. If price starts to consolidate, we do start to find some support in here, we could look for the opportunity to trade up to the next level of interest, which would be the 148 handle. So keep an eye on your euro yen. Nice little area through here for price to have retested before seeing the continuation to the upside. So looking for euro yen higher, especially after that hawkish ECB announcement. And this is already developed from the higher time frame. So remember, we looked at our weekly, discussed that it'd be bullish if we broke through this bearish channel, which it has. 4-hour now showing an upward trend, so we can look for higher low opportunities. Hopefully that made sense. If it did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.